Module 6. Inserting shapes, images, and smart art in an Excel workbook. Shapes can be used in various ways in Excel. For example, you might want to insert arrows, circles, or rectangles to highlight important parts of your data or to create visual cues. To insert a shape, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear with various shapes like arrows, rectangles, circles, and more. Choose a shape such as an arrow or circle. Click on the worksheet where you want to place the shape and drag it to draw it to the desired size. Customizing shapes. Fill color and outline. Click on the shape to select it. Under the Shape Format tab that appears, you can change the fill color and outline. For instance, you might choose a bright green fill to signify healthy growth. Adding text inside a shape. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Text. Type a note like Healthy Height Milestone Achieved. Applying shape effects. Under the Shape Format tab, you can apply effects like shadow, glow, or 3D effects to make the shape stand out. Using shapes helps visually emphasize key information, making it easier to interpret growth patterns and discuss them with parents or healthcare providers. Inserting images into a worksheet. Adding images can help illustrate points or make your data more meaningful. For example, you can include images of growth charts or vaccination icons to enhance your worksheet. To insert an image, go to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click on Pictures. Choose Place Over Cells or Place in Cell. We will use Place Over Cell. Choose where to get your image. This device. Upload an image from your computer. For example, a scanned image of the Road to Health booklet cover. Online pictures. Search for images directly from Excel. You might search for vaccination icon or growth charts. Select the image you want and click Insert. Resizing and positioning images. Click on the image to select it. Drag the corner handles to resize the image proportionally. Click and drag the image to move it to the desired location on your worksheet. To access other formatting options, right-click and choose from the menu. Adding images makes your Excel sheets more interactive and engaging, aiding in better understanding and presentation of the child's health data. Inserting smart art into a worksheet. Smart art is a powerful tool that helps you create diagrams, flowcharts, and other visual representations of information. It's perfect for organizing data into a visual format, such as illustrating a vaccination schedule or development milestones. To insert smart art, go to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click on Smart Art. A dialog box will appear with different categories: lists, processes, cycles, hierarchies, and more. Choose the type of diagram that fits your needs. For a vaccination schedule, you might select a process diagram. Click OK, and the Smart Art graphic will appear on your worksheet. Entering text into Smart Art shapes. Click on the text placeholders within the Smart Art shapes. Type in your information. For example, birth, shape 2, 6 weeks, shape 3, 10 weeks. Customizing Smart Art. Changing colors and styles. Click on the Smart Art to activate the Smart Art Design tab. Use Change Colors to select a color scheme that matches your worksheet. Apply different smart art styles for a polished look. Adding or removing shapes. In the Smart Art Design tab, use Add Shape to include more vaccinations or Delete Shape to remove any unnecessary ones. Adjusting layouts. Experiment with different layouts within the process category to find the one that best displays your information. Example, use a timeline smart art to represent the child's growth milestones alongside vaccination dates, providing a comprehensive view of their development. Tips for effective use of visual elements. Keep it relevant. Only include shapes, images, or smart art that add value to your data. Maintain clarity. Avoid cluttering your worksheet with too many visuals. Consistent styling. Use consistent colors and styles for a professional appearance. Accessibility. Add alt text to images and shapes for users who rely on screen readers. Right-click the object and select Edit Alt Text. Provide a brief description such as vaccination icon indicating vaccines administered at 6 weeks. That concludes Module 6. You now know how to insert and customize shapes to highlight important data points in your worksheet, add images to make your data more engaging and visually informative, use smart art to create diagrams that represent processes or timelines such as vaccination schedules or growth milestones. These tools allow you to create visually engaging worksheets that bring your data to life, making it more interactive and easy to understand. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in Module 7.